If you are also looking for a job and you are struggling with your resume, you are not able to find where I'm doing wrong, why my resume is not getting shortlisted. Don't worry. In today's video, I'm gonna share an amazing ATS friendly resume templates. Plus, I'm gonna share all the resources related to your resume, how you can improve it, and I will review your resume for free. I'm gonna share everything. Before that, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates related to placement and all the resources. Okay, so this blog I have previously shared where I have curated many ATS friendly resume template, right? Which you can just download and you can edit for yourselves. So ATS friendly resume templates are those templates which are easily parsable from ATS tracking system. So all the recruiting hiring agency or any hiring manager use this ATS software where they filter out the your resume based on the job description and whatever the keywords you have mentioned. So it's very important that your resume should be well formatted, like it's ADS friendly, where it's easy to parse all the contents and if the score is high, they will select and then the recruiter will see the real resume. So all these templates are added here. Okay. Now, if you're looking for a job, if you don't have these things, you will not get selected or you will not get jobs. What are those things? Of course, first is like having a good resume template that I have already shared, but there are few other things that you need is that you should have a good real projects. Like you should not mention clone one, uh, blog site or to-do list. These are very common. You can create or even a small projects but solving a real world problems, like it demonstrates your thinking, it shows how you approach challenge, it proves that you can go through your idea and execution. So some examples are like a budgeting tool you build to track your personal expense, a website for local business or community, a data dashboard that analyze public data sets. So these are the projects that solve real world problem, even if it's small, but this will impact more. Once you have a resume, good projects, then you need a professional profiles. Those are one first is GitHub profile. You should have that because this shows your developer skills. It shows many things. It shows that you build regularly. It shows that you are practice your skills. It shows you write and structure code. It shows your learning journey. Okay, and why you should do that, you already know. You are looking for a job and recruiter looks all the profile, not just your resume, whatever the links you mentioned. So it's a good first to have a good resume template projects and then professional profiles like GitHub. Okay, once you have a good GitHub profile, I have added here some good templates like profile resume templates which act as your online resume where you add everything related to you. And in the profile readme they can also able to see your projects, your achievements, your experiences. So these are some good templates which you can use. Okay, the next thing is a LinkedIn profile. So many people will not be posting or they are shy to post anything and they want to be in a shadow. So in today's job market, recruiters are looking someone who take initiatives, who talks professionally, who is visible to publicly. So you should have maintain a proper LinkedIn profile, right? So do create LinkedIn and optimize it and post regularly. Share your thoughts, ideas. Okay, so, what a strong LinkedIn profile includes, you should have a professional photo headline that explain what you do and what you are working toward, a summary that tells your story in human language, projects, experience, achievements. Okay, your profile should be make some understand who you are in less than. I'm gonna also make a video where I'll be reviewing all the LinkedIn profiles. So wait for that. First, I'm gonna review your resume, right? In this video you just have to upload your resume in Google Drive and share the link here and give the public access so that I can review it and I'll share the feedback in the uh, comment section. So make sure to have a public access And if you are not comfortable, you can hide your phone number. Okay. What companies look for today? Companies are not only hiring skill set, they are hiring people. They want individual who take initiative, who shares knowledge, who are visible in their field. Okay, so it's good to have a LinkedIn profile and maintain it. Then of course a portfolio where you can list everything like your projects, your resume, your experiences, your blogs, or whatever extra activities you are doing. That's a very good opportunity to highlight your real impact in your portfolio. So here I have added a GitHub profile which contains 100 plus portfolio websites. You can download the source code of all these and you can check which is good you can use. As it's open source, people have added by themselves, so you can use it as it's open source. Okay. Now prove that you take initiatives. So how you can show that? Writing blogs about what you learn, sharing projects publicly, helping others in communities, participating in open source. So it's very important for developers or someone who is looking for a job to contribute in open source projects. It gives you a lot of opportunity which you can't imagine unless you participate. Creating tools for problems personally face. Okay, why this matters you already know. Only after this you should start applying. So what people do, they just apply and they ask where I'm doing wrong. So unless you have these things, you will not able to recognize by recruiter. It's like hundreds of resume which is talk similarly, to do list, experience in this, which unpaid internship or something you haven't give a proof. Okay, where to find good opportunities? You already know LinkedIn job section. These are some platform, and in our community I share regular updates, so you can join the Discord channel, but their opportunities are less shared. So you can join the Telegram. You'll get the link in the description as well on the site. The role referral is getting had. So yeah, of course you have to seek referrals from the employees of that company before applying, if you can get, and you will not get the reply at one. So every day you have to uh, text someone new. Don't spam. You will get the templates for referral template here. All the templates are added like referral template, or you can say cold email templates, or asking for job inquiry. Why it's not opening? No worries. There might be some problem. Okay, so all the templates are added. You can check later. How long does this process take? So there's no like timeline for this. Jobs search is a very time consuming, energy taking. So you have to take your full faith in yourself that yes, you can do it and you'll definitely crack the job. Okay, final message. Do not chase jobs before you build. No one will give you a job simply because you want one. You have to prove for that. You have to take initiative. You have to show extra, which other applicants does not have it. Okay. So all other resources like free mock test you can give, or even you can here you can give free mock test, and all the resume you can optimize, like you can check the ATS score, first paste the job description and upload your resume, and also you can optimize up, just upload and select the field, and just it will tell you where you can improve. Similarly, you can optimize your LinkedIn, upload your LinkedIn as a PDF, like you can download your LinkedIn information as a in PDF form, and you can upload here and it will tell you the optimization things. So I'm gonna reviewing all the profiles. Just upload the your resume in Google Drive link and share it here and give it public Excel. I'll review one by one. So if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. So there might be some wrong words I have spoken, as I'm beginner to it. Like I'm not a professional YouTuber. I just used to share resources with you guys. So you can let me know any doubt you have. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.